If they let us go, oh, it's over for these two. Stop, police!
Police, the girls around, put down the gun.
Mayday, mayday. Mayday.
Helicopter's getting a bit close, isn't it?
You've got the wrong guy! Get off! You've got it wrong! Get off! You've got the wrong guy! Ah!
What the?
Yo, mate.
Jimmy, what happened?
I don't know.
Are you okay?
Yeah, where's Harry and Emma?
Oh, don't worry, the wedd's ready. What about me, Dad and Josh?
He's up in the bus.
Are you sure?
Yeah, well, they left before. What? Dad! Help!
Another one? What the hell's going on over there? Adele!
She'll be okay, I know she will.
Please let her be.
You've got to keep it together for Aunt's sake.